What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video. Just doing a quick update this morning since I was able to get my speakers in the car. I figured I'd just go ahead and show right quick. This has been a fun little experiment. Most of y'all know the channel been called Dub Mally for, I don't know, couple of years, or I don't know what. I mean, when I started doing YouTube, I guess I changed it to Dub Mally because everything I've had since starting YouTube, I've had a Malibu. So this is my first time doing a Chevy Tahoe, and also my first time dealing with these custom speaker pods, man. So I'll say this: the custom speaker pods, they're nice, they're cool. I think I said in my previous video, they're good for speakers only. As you can see, I got the DS18 speakers along with the grills in there. If I was doing the speakers only, I think it would have been a lot easier. I had to do some things as far as like pulling and stretching. That material is not made to do that. But in order for me to get it done, I had to do it that way, man. So long story short, they're in there. I hope to God I never have to take them out of there. I hope that I never have to do anything as far as servicing them. Hopefully y'all can see down there, I got the panels and all that stuff back on. I've been riding around with the bottom speaker out, the speaker there. I've been riding with that one out and the top speaker in, because I was thinking the whole time I needed the speaker rings. And basically what I came up with yesterday was like, okay, the top of these, I guess, let me get out the car. That'll probably be, this is the driver's side. Let me put my finger there, but, so this is the driver's side. Got them in here as well. But I'll try to show the way these speaker pods, I don't know if that's gonna show on camera, but the way these speaker pods are set up, the top one pokes out more than the bottom one. So what I was doing yesterday is I was trying to get the speaker ring on this one, or well, I was doing it over there, but what I was trying to do is get the speaker ring on this one so it would extend to where the pods, well, basically the pods would work, because like I said, at the end of the day, I bought these grills. Granted, you can still poke your finger in there or whatnot, but as far as somebody like shoving their shoe or something like that, I made sure, you know, we're good to go there. So all good, got them in. Didn't have to use the speaker rings, able to roll my window down. Window goes down, no issues. You know, it goes up, no issues. If if it goes down without issue, it's obviously going to go up without issue. Kind of chilly out here, the wind's beating on my head, but long story short, got the speakers in there. They're good to go. Don't have them hooked up yet. Guess I'll do this. So basically what I'm gonna have to do, these are my full tilt RCAs. I'm not deciding if I'm gonna run these. I think if I'm gonna run them, there'll be 3 sets going along. I think I'm gonna go along the passenger side, and I was kind of thinking about that yesterday, but I still got that dual deck right there. So until I get that joker out of here, man, you know, I'm not looking to do too much. Let me get this stuff out of the way. I got my bag stowed away here. So basically that's what's going to happen. This area here is going to be where the speaker, I did that long. I may end up cutting that. Yeah, excuse me, man. I got the recording video. I need to go get them Vicks back going over there. But got the video going, and just experiment as far as speaker wire. This is some old Sky High wire right here. So basically, I think what my plan is going to be pretty much what I've been seeing. The pretty popular route is go ahead and lay my amps down all right here. With them being so small, they may go from like this area here to over there. Not totally decided on that. I guess I'll start doing some test fitment and things like, but I got to get one more amp, and like I said, I don't know if it's going to be another sundown or what was I thinking? Another Sundown or another Crescendo S1 amp. So we'll see what works out with that. Haven't done anything to the back yet. So this is the Bose speaker that y'all are hearing. So that joker's still playing there. See if I got the back open or not. Nothing back here but some spare wire. That's the stuff from the wire bin. I know some people, I had posted this stuff for sale yesterday, and like literally as soon as I hit the post button, that stuff went up in flames. So more deals, test fitment. Y'all see this here, speaker wire, or not speaker wire, but sky high. Just tape that on there to power up that first, what was it, the first Sundown amp that I got, the SFB 1000D. So just powered that on to see what was going on with that. Everything works out fine. I guess I'll pull this, opens so y'all can see it. I got some grounds ran. I'll get to continuing this sooner or later here. Got a grommet on one. I was just test fitting it, but basically what's going to happen is I'll end up putting the grommets down here. Just did some black tape over just to make sure that you know, the wire is good to go, nothing's cutting on it. But got the grommet. Got to tighten that up, but basically if the weather holds up today, I'll go ahead and put those down in there and get that going, man. So had to go and get some gas. Happened to be over here over south by the zoo, and I think one of their security guards is about to come grab me, so I'm about to get the hell out of here, man. So but yeah, just doing a quick little update on the channel, showing yes, I was able to get the speakers in there. They got the little man coming on the buggy, so I think I'm gonna slide out of here. But yeah, just showing y'all, got the speakers in, was able to use the speaker pods, everything's cool. So y'all know the deal, man. Any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and hit me up, man. I'll try to get back to everybody, man. I'm out of here.